Eating out, it's fun, easy, and a great way to enjoy time with friends and family. Whether it's a casual lunch or a special dinner, dining out offers a break from the routine and a chance to savor different cuisines. But let's face it, eating out can sometimes feel like a minefield when you're trying to eat healthily. The sheer variety of options can be overwhelming, and making the right choice isn't always straightforward. Restaurant portions are often huge, much larger than what we would typically serve ourselves at home. Menus are filled with tempting but calorie-laden dishes, making it hard to resist those rich, indulgent options. And let's not forget the sugary drinks that seem to call our names, from sodas to colorful cocktails. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement and overindulge, leaving us feeling bloated, sluggish, and guilty. Overeating can turn a pleasant outing into a regretful experience. But hey, it's all about finding a balance, right? You can enjoy your meal without going overboard. Eating out shouldn't feel like a chore or a test of your willpower. It should be a joyful experience where you can relish good food and great company. It's all about making smart choices without sacrificing the enjoyment of good food and good company. You can still have a great time while being mindful of what you eat. So, how do we navigate the world of restaurant menus and make healthier choices without missing out on the fun? It starts with being informed and prepared. Let's dive in and discover some simple yet effective tips to stay on track while still enjoying those delightful dining experiences. With a few strategies, you can make dining out both enjoyable and healthy. Let's be real, restaurants don't always make it easy for us. Their goal is to make food taste amazing, and that often means using more butter, oil, sugar, and salt than we would use at home. These hidden ingredients can add a lot of extra calories, unhealthy fats, and sodium to our meals without us even realizing it. Think about those creamy pasta sauces, crispy fried dishes, and decadent desserts. And let's not forget about those bottomless soft drinks and sugary cocktails. With a little knowledge and planning, you can still enjoy eating out without derailing your healthy eating goals. It's all about being aware of these potential pitfalls and having a few tricks up your sleeve to make healthier choices. The menu is your treasure map to a healthy meal. First things first, don't be shy about asking your server questions. Look for keywords that indicate healthier options. Words like grilled, baked, steamed, roasted, or broiled usually mean the dish is cooked with less fat. On the other hand, words like fried, crispy, creamy, or buttered might indicate higher calorie and fat content. Don't be afraid to customize your order. Ask for your dressing on the side, request extra veggies instead of fries, or choose brown rice over white rice. Most restaurants are happy to accommodate special requests, so don't be afraid to speak up and make your meal work for you. Section 4. Portion control. Your secret weapon to healthy dining. Restaurant portions are often huge, way bigger than what we would normally eat at home. This can make it challenging to stick to a healthy eating plan. One of the simplest yet most effective strategies for healthy eating is portion control. By being mindful of how much we eat, we can enjoy our favorite foods without overindulging. One helpful tip is to share a main course with a friend or order an appetizer-sized portion. This way you can still enjoy a variety of dishes without consuming too many calories. Another trick is to ask for a to-go box at the beginning of the meal and pack up half of your food before you even start eating. This ensures you have a delicious meal for later and helps control your intake. This helps to visually divide the portion and prevents you from mindlessly eating everything in front of you. It also makes you more aware of how much you're consuming. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, but rather about enjoying your food in a way that leaves you feeling satisfied, not stuffed. Moderation is key to a balanced diet. It's also a good idea to slow down and savor each bite. Eating slowly can help you recognize when you're full and prevent overeating. Drinking water between bites can also help you feel full and aid in digestion. Enjoying your meal with good company can make the experience even more fulfilling. Section 5. Ditch the sugar rush, refreshing alternatives await. Sugary drinks are everywhere, and they can add a lot of empty calories to our meals without providing much nutritional value. These drinks, often loaded with high fructose corn syrup or other sweeteners, can lead to energy crashes and contribute to long-term health issues like obesity and diabetes. Instead of reaching for a soda, sweetened iced tea, or fruit juice, try opting for healthier and more refreshing alternatives. These options not only quench your thirst but also provide essential hydration without the added sugars. Water is always the best choice, and you can add a slice of lemon, lime, or cucumber for a touch of flavor. These natural infusions can make your water more enjoyable and encourage you to drink more throughout the day. Unsweetened tea, sparkling water, or even a small glass of red wine are also good options. Unsweetened tea can offer antioxidants, sparkling water provides a fizzy alternative without the sugar, and red wine in moderation has been linked to heart health benefits. Remember, staying hydrated is crucial for our overall health and well-being. Choosing water or other unsweetened beverages over sugary drinks is an easy way to cut down on unnecessary calories and sugar intake. By making these small changes, you can significantly improve your diet and overall health. Section 6. Healthy choices, happy you, reaping the rewards. Making healthier choices when dining out isn't about depriving yourself or feeling restricted. It's about feeling your best, both physically and mentally. By making mindful choices, you can enjoy the pleasures of dining out without the guilt or discomfort. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 healthy swaps into your next restaurant meal, and gradually build from there. By following these simple tips and tricks, you can navigate the world of restaurant menus with confidence and make choices that support both your taste buds and your well-being.